This is the point of the companions, to help people with their manual trading as well. Not just to understand how it's working. It's not just to put a bot on the chart like, oh, it's making money, I don't know why. Oh, it's losing, I don't know why. What's going on, guys? So it's launch day for the companion swing. Super, super excited to launch this EA. This is the second EA that I'm launching that's based on a proven manual trading strategy. The first one we launched was the companion, the day trading companion, which uses the Asia session as framework every single day. This one is trading dynamic price action. It's super, super sick. It uses the higher time frame for confirmations. You can use this on any time frame, but the strategy I'm giving you the strategy that works logically as a manual trader, and I'm giving you the strategy in an automated sense to take and use. I'm just giving you the reins. If you want to jump in and change it and test trading lower time frame price action, you can do that. But I'm just giving you an EA that is proven to work in a manual setting and an automated setting. So this EA trades dynamic price action using pivot points. So what can we see here? Pivot points. What are pivot points? Pivot points are basically high-low markers, and the higher you set them, the stronger the confirmations essentially become. If we put these to 50, 50, 50, 50, you'll see some of them disappear. If we use 5, put 5 in there, 5, 5, you'll see more of them. Look, and it becomes a mess. For this example, I'm just going to put 35 here, just so you can see how this works. This will trade with the trending price action. Let's put 35, please, not 55. 35, 35, 35. So these are levels in the market, and this is how the market moves. Creates a new high, pulls back, new high, and it will print like this. Now, we can use these to our advantage, because if we get a candle close above here, we've got a breaker structure. So we are going to enter. If we enter here, we get a candle close above this previous high, we can expect price to continue going up. And we want to make sure that our stop loss is below the previous swing low. And then we'd get in the trade and we would trail this up to wherever it took us before we got knocked out, probably somewhere up here. There's a little bit here, pull back, and we shot up somewhere in there. Same with this one here. This here, look, we had a high here, candle closed through. We would enter here, stop loss would be going below the low, and then we would trade up like this. So if we go back onto and here, if we look at this side, so you see, we've got this support level here. Now, if we get a candle close to here, we are going to trade with our stop loss like this, above that previous swing high, and we're going to look to take the trend the opposite direction and take it down, because that is how price moves. If we get a candle close like we just have here, we would have entered on a candle close trade through here, because we've just broken this previous pivot point here, and the stop loss will be going above the swing high here, which is the safest stop loss with a buffer to get in that longer term, probably going to get a pullback, and then price comes somewhere else. And then we would cover the entry once we get X amount of pips, and we would continue to go down. And if the trend continues down, we make a new low, and then we'd start to trade in the opposite direction. More examples here. So with a low here, look, here, we would have got in a trade here. This would have been a break even, because we'd have got X amount of pips into the trade, break even here, and then we would have got in an opposite direction. Broke through here, candle close above, up here, down, and then that would have been a larger trade that would have been in here, but we would have been in that, you see, look, very long trade, taking it up like this. This one, we didn't get a break of this. Broke of that high was up here. And you can see, that's how it works. So if we go on to the MT5 now, and you've got all the settings and instructions for this, so there's no need to worry. And by the way, because this is higher time frame confirmations, it's not going to trade every day. So if you were trading a pivot point strategy like this, what you'd do is you'd mark up 5 charts or 6 charts or up to 10 charts. And you'd wait for the confirmation and you'd get in. Because trading like this, you're going to have, you'd have waited for this to break, all this time here. You might get 1 to 2 confirmations per week, which for some people, they want to trade more. You might even get less. So because this is how the market moves, you would set this up on multiple pairs. So then you would look to make, say, for example, I've got an example here. Actually, I'll show you it. So if we look here, let's go back to where we were before. Account, next to, let's load this. And if we take this back just to January, and we press start, email address stay in there as it did. You're going to see how it works. Higher time frame confirmation, you're in the trade, and you're also learning to hold trades. The risk is managed. You're learning to hold your trades. This is the point of the companions, to help people with their manual trading as well. Not just to understand how it's working. It's not just to put a bot on the chart like, oh, it's making money, I don't know why. Oh, it's losing, I don't know why. You know, when you're in that situation, you don't have any control and you feel helpless, especially if stuff doesn't go your way. But when you're trading a proven strategy of how the market actually moves, then it helps you with your trading. You understand why it's working. You understand why it's not working at the same time. So it helps you in all areas. You can see here, look, it's making small gains, small gains. This is just an example. We could double up the profit, double up the risk. That's 12% in the year, right there. But if you have this over 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs, you're mitigating the risk as well. And then you'll start making, obviously, a lot more profit at the same time, while helping your psychology, while helping you understand price action, while helping you hold trades, while helping the psychology. See, this is the point of the companions. They have a purpose. They have a meaning behind them. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, ask away. Ask me. You shoot me a DM on Instagram, BenAlistairFX. You can, not on Discord, so I won't answer on Discord. Too many people just add and spam on there. But you can ask on the live chat. I'll leave the link below. When this video is recorded, you're getting 2 companions for the price of 1. So I'll leave the link underneath. So you get the day trading companion and the swing companion together. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. And I'll see you inside the companion Discord. Bosh.